Am I excited? Just a little bit. And you'll know why in just a moment.
I had 135 warriors on my team. These were unstoppable people that would do whatever it frickin' took to get the job done. If you have the right vehicle, the right knowledge, and the right you, that's what's going to get everybody to the promised land. I love marketing. And really, business is very simple. No marketing, no money. Great marketing, great money. The more success I want, the more no's and failures I'm willing to take on.
Do not be afraid to fail and get the ego out of the way, and then start looking at failures as victories.
When you become unstoppable, do you know what choices you have?
Limitless.
Limitless. And that's why I say if you're going to be in business, you deserve to get rich. Bottom line.